sa pagdiriwang ng ating Anilag Festival 2025 na may temang sama-sama tayo sa tuloy-tuloy na saya sa Laguna. Aming pong inihahandog ang mga kandidato ng Ginoo Laguna 2025.
Magandang araw, Laguna. I am Astin Martin Paderos Ladanga mula sa kabisera ng pagbuburda ng Pilipinas, Lumban.
Welcome to the pre-pageant of Ginoo at Binibining Laguna 2025.
Astin Martin Paderos Ladanga mula sa kabisera ng pagbuburda ng Pilipinas, Lumban!
The candidates in their parade of festival costume.
Your Ginoo number 16, Astin Ladanga of Lumban. This costume showcases the Burdang Lumban Festival. It is a vibrant and colorful celebration held annually in Lumban, Laguna. The festival celebrates the embroidery industry, which has been a significant part of Lumban's culture and economy for centuries. Burda is a Filipino term for embroidery, and Lumban is renowned for its intricate and beautiful embroidered garments and textiles. The festival aims to promote and preserve traditional embroidery techniques as well as to showcase the town's rich cultural heritage. Designer Ali Badulis.
contenders for Ginoo at Binibining Laguna 2025 in the swimwear competition.
Ginoo 16, Lumban. Laguna candidates in their swimwear.
Ginoong Laguna 2025 Best in Swimwear is Ithiu Ginoo 16 Astin Martima Laganga from Lumban. Presenting the award to our Ginoong Laguna 2025 Best in Swimwear is our Gobernadora Ruth Hernandez, together with our Vice Governor Attorney Karen Nagakapay and Ms. Pamela Jean Peters Baun, the OIC of El Ticato, and the overall chairman of Anilag Festival 2025.
Congratulations to this year's Ginoong Best in Swimwear. Once again, hailing from Lumban! Woo! Congratulations! We are entering the question and answer portion for Ginoong Laguna Top 10 finalists. Let's call on Ginoo number 16 from Lumban. Hello, Ginoo number 16. Please pick your question. I'll read it to you twice. Good luck. Ginoo from Lumban. You see someone being bullied in public. How would you react? Again, you see someone being bullied in public. How would you react?
Good evening, Laguna. As a Ginoo who is full of dynamism and resourcefulness to think out of the box, I will approach the bully person in a nice way and tell him that bully can affect someone's mental health. And an SK counselor, I want to remind everyone that we should treat everyone with kindness and respect. And hopefully, with my plans and actions, what would manifest here is my willingness and courage to take a positive change. As an inspirer, as a believer, and more importantly, as a Ginoo that can encourage our community. Maraming salamat po.
Thank you very much. That's very well said. Laguna, who do you think made it to the top 5? Who? I think you're correct. Step forward. Ginoo 16, Astin Martim Laganga from Lumban.
We present to you Ginoong Laguna 2025 Top 5 Finalists!
Congratulations, Ginoo!
Woo! Woo! We have met our top 5 Ginoos. Our headphones are now ready. Let's call on our Ginoo from Lumban, Ginoo number 16, Astin Martim Laganga.
Hello, Lumban.
I will be reading the question twice. Are you ready? Here we go. How do you think tourism can influence global peace and diplomacy? Again, how do you think tourism can influence global peace and diplomacy?
Good evening, Laguna. As a tourism student, I think tourism has a big impact when it comes to having peace with global system. Because I believe this unites us as a community and an altruistic leader and encouraging role model. My advice to everyone is to embrace our tourism because this makes us, our community and our world better. And finally, let's take a moment to reflect. As a province, we are recognized as the Silicon Valley of the South, a powerhouse driving our nation's progress. And there is no doubt that I can push even further, especially if I am honored to be this year's Gunoo. Rest assured that I will embody the essence of Lagunense, who not only create changes, but lead with strength and purpose. Maraming salamat po.
Thank you very much. Ladies and gentlemen, we give you back your top 5 for this year's Ginoong Laguna. Ginoong number 16, Austin Martin P. Ladanga of Lumban.
It's now time to meet Ginoong Laguna 2025 second runner-up. Your second runner-up is Ginoo number 16 from Lumban, Austin Martin P. Laganga.
Presenting the award to our Ginoong Laguna 2025 second runner-up is our Ginoong Laguna 2024 second runner-up, Mr. Rog Kasuluran of Calamba City, together with Ms. Jiki Lee, Nesler Louis Almagro, and Ms. Pamela Jane Peters Baun, the OIC of El Tigato, the overall chairman of Anilaw Festival 2025.
Congratulations to our second runner-up, Laguna!